Hi everyone, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name is Istiana and today's video is all about quick and easy hairstyles. So if you're in a pinch for time or you just don't like spending a lot of time on your hair, this video will give you some fresh new ideas and some inspiration, so let's just get into it.
Now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head.
This year, the claw clip came back hard and it's such an easy and quick hairstyle that looks super chic and gets your hair out of your face. I'll pull some wispy face framing pieces out and then twist the rest of my hair tightly.
Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone.
Raise it up the back of my head and then twist and tuck the ends underneath and secure with the claw clip. The thicker hair you have, the bigger the claw clip you'll need, by the way. Bam! Easy, chic, and done. If you want more of a sleek look and have 3 extra minutes, spritz some hairspray, use a fine-tooth comb, and smooth out your hair behind your ears. Grab everything again into a low ponytail. This time I'm going to use a tiny elastic to secure the pony before twisting. This makes a cleaner and tighter twist. Twist the pony again up your head and then twist down and tuck the ends neatly beneath the bottom part of the twist. Secure again with the claw clip, and that's it.
So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus.
Okay, the next quick look is a quick high pony but totally elevated with Luxy Hair. Gather your hair up into a clean high ponytail. Smooth out any flyaways with some hairspray and tighten. So I'm going to use my favorite Luxy Hair clip-in ponytail in chocolate brown. It makes my ponytail instantly longer and thicker. So you just insert the grip into your elastic, then tightly wrap the Velcro around to meet. Then just take the tail part and wrap around the elastic to conceal. And then just use some bobby pins to just secure down that tail. So you could end right here. Making your ponytail pop is so easy and so fast with a clip-in ponytail. But one of my favorite looks lately that looks way more fancy than it actually is and takes no time at all is the bubble ponytail. So I'm just adding tiny little elastics about every 2 inches down on the ponytail, just like this. When you've added all the elastics, then you just want to pancake the bubble ponytail and gently pull apart your hair between the elastics to create a bubble sort of shape. So quick, so chic, and so fun. I'm giving you another last option which takes about the same amount of time, but if you want a slightly different take on the high pony, a braided ponytail is also super cute and quick. Braid is normal and then just pancake the braid to make it bigger and better. This next look we've been seeing lately on a lot of celebs like Ariana Grande and Madison Beer. We're talking pigtails. Yes, they are back, and Hailey Bieber did a really casual and cute version of these that we're going to recreate. I like to use a rat tooth comb to create a neat middle part line. Then, just to give your hair some beautiful natural looking texture, you can spritz a sea salt spray and scrunch your hair up like this. Then I'm just going to brush and gather my hair into high ponytails on the back sides of my head. I think placing the base of the pigtails more towards the back versus the sides of your head make this look a little less childish. You could definitely do low pigtails too. That would be super cute. Once both sides are tightly secured into high pigtails, just finish the look with a little hairspray to clean up flyaways, and that's it. Super quick and no fuss. Okay, last quick look. I actually did this the next day because what I do to get big loose waves very quickly is this. So I pre-curl my extensions the night before, and I use the Luxy Hair Deluxe Styler, which just goes on a mirror or a window and makes it super easy to brush and style your Luxies. Once curled the day before I know I want to wear my hair wavy, I'll just leave them hanging on the styler overnight so they're already ready to go the next day. Then all I have to do when I'm getting ready is curl my natural hair, which usually takes me about 7 minutes, but this will vary depending on your hair type. Heat protectant always first, then I use a 1.5 inch barrel and curl 1 inch sections. For loose waves, I only hold each curl for about 3 to 4 seconds long, which makes this look go even faster. And then I actually use my accessories that came with the Luxy Hair application kit to apply my extensions because it makes it go so much faster. So again, I use the rat tail comb to create a part line 2 inches from the front and pin that gathered hair up with the clips that come in the application kit, just like this. And then I'm just taking my chocolate brown halo extensions, which are already pre-curled, so then all you have to do is drop the wire over your head, place the wire along the part line, and snap the clips shut to secure in place. Let down the top of your hair and then brush your hair over to conceal the wire. Done. Easy, beautiful, loose waves. If I have an extra minute, I'll add the 2 clip weft side pieces to add even extra volume and thickness. And done. Okay, that's it for today's video. I would love to know down in the comments below which hairstyle is your favorite for quick and easy hairstyles. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos from Luxy Hair as always, and I'll see you guys next video.